Welcome back, everyone. So students, you are ready to return to class, and certain grade levels need vaccinations to get in the door. Now, there is also an important vaccine that you need to make sure your college students get. Dr. Akilah Pope is with the Duval County Health Department this morning, joining us live via Zoom. Thanks for taking some time out for us today.
Of course, of course. I'm glad to be here with you all.
All right, let's talk about those younger students, kindergartners. There's a lot of angst whenever sending them back, but one thing they do need to do before they get to school is to get vaccinated. Why is it so important that they get those required vaccinations?
Yes, it's very important to get vaccinations because schools require students to get the vaccinations in order to be safeguarded when they're in the school settings. We like to make sure that we are protecting our students when they're in a area where there could be a higher transmission of a vaccine preventable disease. And Florida requires that children get certain immunizations to be able to even attend school settings and child care centers.
For the kindergartners, the younger ones, what are those required vaccinations that they must get?
Well, there's a full list of required vaccinations if you visit the floridahealth.gov website, but some of the most common ones are the DTaP or TDAP, which we call the DTaP and Tdap, and the MMR. And the DTaP and Tdap are protection against diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis. And then the MMR helps to protect against measles, mumps, and rubella.
All right, a lot of kids, they get them when they're younger too, so they might be good, but definitely want to check to make sure that you have what you need. So I have a question for you. Has there been maybe more vaccine hesitancy, maybe some misinformation, some confusion since the COVID-19 vaccines and kids? It's so controversial, but there's such a difference between these necessary vaccines.
Well, yes, there has been some controversy, but what I first of all tell people, vaccinations are very safe and they are very effective. I always tell my parents that vaccines help to and can help to save a child's life. They also help to protect the people who we love the most and who we care about the most. We also, as individuals who are vaccinated, help to protect those who are immunocompromised because they are unable to receive vaccinations. So vaccinated individuals, if you will, help to shield those individuals. Also, families can save money, they can save time by being vaccinated, and it helps our future generations when we're vaccinated as well.
All right, and quickly, a lot of kids sometimes don't have a consistent family doctor. So how can a parent find out if their child is up to date on their vaccines?
Parents can either call their pediatrician, but if they don't have one, they can contact the Florida Department of Health at 1-877-888-7468 to request their child's immunization record. But that is only if they have been immunized in the state of Florida, because unfortunately there is no national database of immunization records.
Okay, so you might have to do a little research if you're an implant and just moved here. Let's talk about college students for just a moment. What is that vaccination requirement for them? Because they also might have to get poked.
Oh, that's correct. We can't forget about our college students, and they are required to receive vaccinations to protect them against meningococcal diseases, as well as hepatitis B.
All right. I know they can come to Department of Health to get vaccinated. Do you guys offer free vaccinations or just low cost?
So we offer vaccinations at no cost for children. We are part of the Vaccination for Children initiative.
All right. Well, that's certainly an option. Make sure you get vaccinated and check to see if anyone needs any extra ones. Thank you so much, Dr. Pope, for talking with us today.
Oh, you're so welcome.
All right. So if you have any questions or maybe you just need a little more information, like you might have missed that 1-800 number, here's the number to call: 904-253-1150. That will get you to the Duval County Health Department, and you can find the numbers of your other county health departments online.